Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw B. B for ball. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat. The alphabets of C. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw F. F for fish. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for guard. The alphabets of G. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw H. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids now draw I. I for ice cream. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw J. J for joker. The alphabets of J. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw K. K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids now draw N. N for nest. The alphabets of N. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. Kids now draw P. P for parrot. The alphabets of P. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use Red color and draw Q. Q for Queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for Rose. The alphabets of R. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. It's now draw T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. Kids now draw V. V for van. The alphabets of V. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. The alphabets of Z. And again use the green color. Green color. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. Yellow color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use red color. Red color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use black color. Black color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use blue color. Blue color. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.